Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the integer x that satisfies the equation x cube minus 11x square minus 99x plus 1090 equals to 0 is. Here we have to find the integer x which satisfies the equation x cube minus 11x square minus 99x plus 1090 equals to 0. Now, this 1090 can be written as 1089 minus plus 1. So, here if you take x square common, then there will be x minus 11, and if we take 99 common, then there will be x minus, because 99 into 11 is 1089, is plus 1 as it is. So, here x square minus 99, if we take x minus 11, then there will be x square minus 99 in another bracket, plus 1 as it is. So, here if we take x square minus 99 plus 1 equals to 0, then the only integer that satisfies the equation 1, means suppose this is equation number 1, is 10. The only integer that satisfies equation 1 is 10. So, the value of x is 10.